Hi, so this video is in continuation to the previous video where we learned how to make this bottle. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to recommend you to first see the previous video and then come on to this video. So let's begin. Today we'll be learning how to make a Ferror Rocher bouquet on the top, which is one of my premium products and it's one of my best sellers at Extras. Things that you'll be needing today. You'll be needing a thermocol ball, which you can easily find at any stationery shop. You're needing Ferror Rocher, you can even use other candies, but just make sure they're circle. Then you'll be needing toothpicks, glue gun, glue stick, thread cutter or scissor, and a ribbon of your choice. I have started my glue gun, it's getting hot. Meanwhile, let's open the Ferror Rocher box. So take the toothpicks and start poking them in like that. You see this hole. On this hole, just go like that with your scissors. Again measure it and then again just make sure it fits. Take the glue gun and just place it on the top of the bottle. Now here you have to use the glue gun, otherwise it's gonna move. Now we're gonna give it 2 minutes to actually set. Then we take these, we put glue over here so that nothing moves. Basically you put the glue over here so that nothing moves. So make sure that everything cools off and then you actually start placing them, because the glue is quite hot. You can actually get blisters or burn yourself. So just make sure before putting on things that everything is dried off. So take the bottle and start placing it like that. Just make sure there's a little, placing it like that. I'm gonna make a take this. On another Ferror Rocher box and I filled in all the spaces that were left over here. You're gonna see it's completely done now. There are no spaces and my bottle is ready. Do let me know in the comment section, how did you find this tutorial? Was it helpful? Did you try it? Are you gonna try it? Subscribe.